Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Steam and set download region for faster installs step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Steam website at store.steampowered.com. Look for the Install Steam button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Install Steam button to download the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Steam on your computer. When the installation is complete, launch Steam by finding it in your Applications or Start menu. Sign in to your existing Steam account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on Steam in the upper left corner of the client. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Downloads tab on the left side. Click on the Downloads tab to access download settings. In the Downloads section, you'll see an option labeled Download Region. Click on the drop-down menu next to Download Region. After selecting your preferred region, click OK to save your changes. This setting will help improve download speeds for games and updates. You can now return to the main Steam interface and start downloading games. Enjoy your gaming experience with faster installs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.